Alrighty guys, real quick. Yes, y'all see my current situation. I'm at the Walmart Supercenter, automotive center. No, I'm not here to get my car worked on, my oil change or anything like that. I had to order a tire for my little red Nissan truck, and they called me and told me it was in. That's the only thing I need Walmart Automotive Center for, guys. Yeah, go get me a tire. Alright, so it's time to go get my damn tire. Now, I wonder what they doing in here. I wonder, what do Walmart, usually they specialize in tires and maybe oil changes, but is that a Kia? Yeah, they got a Kia off in there. One time I seen a Chrysler 300 in here. Like, wait a minute. Yeah, really? But they wasn't doing an oil change. They was doing like a coolant flush or fuel injection flush or something. Yeah, she ready to go. Hey, they got a Lexus in here. I wonder what that Lexus getting. I'm not sure I would use Walmart for anything other than tires, maybe brakes. And they don't have an alignment machine, so I don't know what's the deal with got an old school Ford over there. Well, let me stay focused and get what I need to get, man. Y'all stay tuned. There you go, baby. Finally finna to get the Nissan truck rolling. Low rider, hard body, baby. It's about to be rolling. All right, let's go get this thing in the shop, guys. Alrighty, guys. It's about that time. I got the Nissan in the shop. Yeah, right now I'm charging up the battery. We about to get rid of this. I don't know what the hell causing that. It's not the first time I've seen that. Like I say, the tire is not wore out. It's just dry rotted. All I know, camera could be off and making the alignment could be off and making it split like that. I don't know. But I tell you what, if this would happen that way, I'm definitely checking that alignment. Alignment has been the same since '94. I had to drop. Remember, I dropped this. Well, y'all don't remember, but I lowered the truck so it could be a low rider. But I can't drive it like this because I'm shaking all over the place, and on top of that, it's dangerous. So let me swap out for this new Walmart tire. That damn tire was $100. All right, guys, let me get this tire changed. Guys, I'm here at the damn scrap yard. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been out here. I finally get a chance to clean my damn truck out. Get some of this crap off of my truck. Let's see how much money I can make, man. Hopefully I can leave here with $200. Now, I know the drill. I gotta go get up on the scale, but first they're gonna take a picture of my tags and the equipment or the product, and then I go and unload. All right, guys, I'll be here for a minute, so y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, it's been a minute. Y'all see that? Got that new tire on there, baby. Yes, it drives smooth as hell now. Y'all see where I'm at? Oh, what are they doing? Wait a minute. Holy crap. Oh, that's not a Dodge. All right, I gotta stay focused. What is he doing? Oh, look at that. He just gonna pick up the whole car? Wait a minute, where you going with the car? I can fix that. Hold on, sir. I'm JT, the car guy. I can fix that. All right, JT, stay focused. All right, y'all see my load? It's my red truck, guys. It's been a minute since all right, I gotta drop off all the steel and then go get reweighted and go from there. Only reason I'm at the scrap yard because this stuff is already on my truck. They not getting my good battery or my aluminum, so I'm gonna take this out. First of all, I'm gonna dump off all the steel. Yes, they more than welcome to all these crappy ass rotors. Now I gotta go get back on this scale, get weighed again, and then go unload the aluminum. What y'all think? Maybe a couple $100? They don't pay no more like they used to, guys. I want all this stuff out of my truck. Forgot something. You gotta go. I want all this crap out of here, man. I'm about to bring this truck back to life. Nissan rules, baby. This truck is junky and nasty. I'm about to get it full detail. All this stuff gonna be clean. It's just a work truck right now. It's a stick. What y'all young guys know about that stick? Y'all can't steal this one, huh? Yeah. All right, guys. That bulldozer's busy. I'm going back. Did it strip that? Is that the same? Okay, I can't waste time wondering what the hell going on. Hey, I can fix that Liberty. That's a Jeep, y'all. All right, guys, let me go get back on the scale and then go get my money, and we gonna go from there. I hope I don't catch a flat because I don't have nobody's spare tire out here. Look, my wiper blades don't even work. I hope it don't rain hard, but we gonna make it do what it do. This guy's up here getting reweighed. That's how they figure out how much scrap you got. They weigh you first, you unload it, then they reweigh you, and then you come back around. All right, y'all stay tuned. 8 HP transmission. I don't know how it wound up in my truck, but it's worth something. Man, what a junkyard. But it's money out here. This look mess like a bunch of junk, but it's money out here, baby. I don't know, whoever thought of this is a genius. Damn, I should have thought of this. You get paid for junk. Alrighty, guys. I got my little sheet. Alright, let's tell what they just weighed on the scale. So now I go to the main office and they go and take what I put on the big scale and compare it to, not compare, but take what I put on the little scale. They're gonna do some math calculations and they gonna cut me a check. Yeah, that's the good part. So I gotta leave this thing running, man. My battery's dead. So let's go ahead and see what we got, guys. Y'all ready? Man, let's freaking get it. Is that a caravan? Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. How much you get for those? Alrighty, guys, we done here. Hey, look at it, man. I had to put some insurance on this thing. Now, I observed a few things, and what I found out is they paid me with a damn check. $100. That's more the money than I had. Look, guys, I'm done with freaking aluminum radiators. They paid nothing. I'm done with scrap metal. Paid $44. One starter paid $1. Okay, batteries. I had about 5 batteries. I got 20. That's average of $5 a piece. I think I can get $10 a piece at AutoZone. Okay, I got to evaluate my situation, but I did want my truck clean, so I managed to make some money to clean my truck. Yeah, I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching.